Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to use the CTU Counter on MasterTool for the Nexto Xpress series. For that, let's go in the toolbox, expand the function blocks, select the CTU block and drag it to the network. Next, let's declare a variable of type CTU. Select the block, type CTU_0. Press enter and make sure it is a variable of type CTU. The first internal parameter, CU, is the parameter that performs the count. So let's relate the input contact to digital input variable I11. Right below the reset is the parameter that resets the counter block. So let's name the input contact reset_CTU. PV is the default value, is the count value that will be reached. Let's put a count up to 5. CV shows the current count value. Then select CV, type CV and press enter to create a variable called CV of type word with 16 bits. Finally, the Q parameter is the output. So, let's insert a coil and associate it to the controller's digital output Q06. At this point we can already test. Click on Online, log in and then to Yes. Start the program. From this moment on, we can start to press the digital input so that the CV variable starts to be incremented. When CV equals PV, the output will be turned on. Note that both have a value equal to 5, so the output was activated. If we pulse CU again, the CV variable will keep increasing. So, to repeat the count, you need to press reset and write the value with Ctrl plus F7. With the value reset, the output goes back to false and we can repeat the process again. So, this was our 21st lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.